There is no deity but Allah. There is no provider but Allah. If you seek honor, then you will receive from Allah's court. Life will come from Allah's court. Children will come from Allah's court. That is why my Allah complains at one point, "Why do you go to others, leaving me? Have my treasures diminished? Who made the earth and sky? Who sent down the rain? Who brought beautiful gardens, fruits and flowers? Show me by creating one tree. Show me by creating one leaf. Create a single blade of grass. Create a single grain." Then Allah strikes, cutting down all roots of idolatry. Is there anyone other than Allah? The universe cried out, no. Tiny bits cried out, no. Every droplet cried out, no. Every breeze whispered, no. Every leaf on the trees said no. The entire universe, land and sea, said no. Then my Allah says, when there is no one but me, then where are you running off to leaving me?